Okay, this is actually one of the tasks in one of the Bentley on-demand learning modules. What we're going to do is we're going to extend our existing right-of-way, or excuse me, our existing alignment, which currently terminates right here. We're going to extend it this way. We'll go out around these trees a little bit, come back up here, and then we're going to tie into this right-of-way over here at a right angle. And our tie-in point over here is a known point with known coordinates. So, our first step is to come over here, select Place Smart Line, and I'm going to start at our tie-in point with our known coordinates. So I'll type northing and easting equals 149, 198.65, comma 108, 9850.38. I'll hit enter, and we're at our tie-in point. Now, to ensure that we tie in at a 90-degree angle, I'm going to use the MicroStation Rotate Quick command, just RQ, and now I'm going to select my x-axis, and I'll use my near point snap, so I can snap anywhere along this line, define my x-axis, and then that'll allow us to index along what is actually now the y-axis. And the length of this tangent is also known. It's 350 feet from the right-of-way, so I'm going to type in 350 feet, making sure that I'm indexed 0 to the y-axis. Data point to accept, and then I'll reset to get out of there. Now let's put in our PIs. Go up here to Geometry, Horizontal Curve Set, add PI, and we're going to, following the prompts in the bottom left, identify alignment end. We'll click the alignment, and that's where we're going to begin at. Now our first tangent is going to extend at the same bearing that our existing tangent extends. So let's make note of the bearing there, south, 8830.26 east. And so we'll do a distance and direction, DI equals 374.76 south, 8830.26 east. Hit enter. There's our first PI, and our next one is also known, distance and direction, DI equals 386.12 comma south, 6548.21.5 east. Hit enter, and now our next PI is going to be right here at the intersection of these two lines, so I'm going to snap to the end of that line using my Shift plus Control. I'll snap there, put in the PI, and then of course we'll put our last one right here where these two lines intersect, and I'll use my Shift plus Control function so I can snap right to there, and there we go. I'll reset to get out of that. And so now we have our PIs inserted, and the next thing to do is to define our curve set.